Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Hope you are doing well and fine, and in today's video I'll be showing you how to stop ZipRecruiter emails on PC Windows. So without wasting any time, let's just jump right on the video and make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the steps as well. To stop ZipRecruiter emails on your Windows PC, what you can do is unsubscribe via email filter. What you need to do is open any ZipRecruiter email you received, scroll down to the bottom of the email and then click on unsubscribe link, usually in the small print, and then follow the instructions to confirm you want to stop receiving emails. Next method is manage email preferences on ZipRecruiter website by simply heading over and opening up your browser, and on the search bar type in ZipRecruiter.com and log into your account. Then simply tap on your profile icon on the top right corner of your screen and select account settings or email preferences. Then adjust or turn types of email notifications you don't want, like job alerts, marketing emails, etc. And then lastly, save your changes. So these are a couple of steps that you can apply, and that's it for today's video, guys. Hope this video was useful to you. Leave a like if it did, comment down any questions that you have, and see you soon on the next one.